Since 2008, we were focusing on how to digitalize our site. I can say that through innovation, we succeed to reach significant results on innovation, on digitalization and automation.
We widened our product portfolio according to the market demands. So last year in total more than 30,000 finished goods left our company. A variety belonged to more than 100 different product families. This large variety of manufacturing, that will be the ability to handle the high mix and low volume production.
On automation level, we have a couple of very serious successful projects and artificial intelligence on the last 2-3 years when we introduced the autonomous guided vehicles in our internal logistic processes. Through innovation, we are always capable to make the next step in our future development.
We are manufacturing not only standard modules, but we are also manufacturing automotive finished goods. That means for us that all the internal processes had to be revised and changed according to the customer and the industrial standard.
Quality, it is a basic requirement. Implementing different solutions which are really related to the Pokayoke solutions, helping our employees to avoid to make mistakes, and additionally, of course, through digitization, making the end-of-line measurements, we can detect in time the quality deviations. Another and very serious differentiator factor for us on the market is the lead time. We implemented in the last couple of years, achieving even results, reducing from 2 to 3 days lead time to 4 to 12 hours lead times. We consider that digitalization helped a lot in our efficiency improvement, in our quality improvement, and of course in our lead time reduction of our production.